Got 4 bathroom cleaning tips that will save you time, money, and frustration. Tip number 1, vacuum before you start. Before you even touch a cleaning product, quickly vacuum the floor. You see all that hair and dust? Once water splashes around, it turns into wet clumps that smear everywhere and make a bigger mess. Taking a couple of minutes to vacuum first keeps things dry, clean, and much easier to work with. And here's a bonus tip. Get a vacuum with an LED light. It'll highlight every hair and dust bunny so you don't miss a thing. Tip number 2, keep us mask odors. It eliminates them whether they're from urine, bacteria, or general bathroom dampness. It's also a disinfectant and sanitizer, safe for multiple surfaces, including stones, so you can use it on the toilet, baseboard, and surrounding floors. You can get the ready-to-use spray at Dollar Tree or Walmart, or save more by grabbing the gallon jug at Dollar General and mixing it yourself. Plus, it comes in several scents. Tip number 4, skip the disposable dusters. I love a scented disposable duster as much as anyone, but the cost adds up fast. Refills run over $14 a box. Instead, invest in a microfiber extendable duster. The one I use costs about $18 and I can buy extra heads. The pole extends, the head rotates, and when it's dirty, I vacuum the dust off and then go back to dusting. Toss it in the washer, let it air dry, and it's good as new. Next time